There are the roller beds in back. There's actually a cover made for that that's laying around the corner. I'm going to demonstrate real quickly how to operate the saw. It's fairly easy. First, there's the power switch on the side. All you gotta do is just turn that on. When you do, it's going to ask to reset the saw, but you hit machine start. It says press reset. Hit the reset button. Then it asks you to pick a cycle. You've got two cycles. You got a manual mode, which basically means after it makes a cut, you raise the head yourself. I've never used that. We just use the semi-auto mode, which automatically releases the clamp and raises the head. So the next step, I've got a 2x3 piece of tubing inside of here. I'm going to close these clamps. You can see the distance here and here, how much it'll hold. That's a 2x3 tube, so it holds quite a bit of material inside. And it's clamping down on the material. And one thing that does, if you're hanging out the back, it will square it up to the table. I'm gonna hit blade on and cycle start. I can adjust my blade speeds. Then right here I can do a quick drop, pull that lever down, get a little over the head fast so I get close to my steel. I'm not going to cut but just a couple of cuts into it because it's a dry cut and I don't want to burn up the blade. As you can see it running.